Well, good morning. How are we all doing? So, something a bit different today. I'm doing the Galtee challenge. Well, something a bit different. It's hiking, like, because I don't do that a lot. So I did the Tom Crean challenge last week in beautiful, incredible weather. This week is going to be an absolute washout for the Galtee challenge. Never done the Galtee challenge before. It's kind of a hard one to film as well because like you're going to be constantly moving, so I just get as much as I can. I just want to showcase what the actual event is like, and also to show that hiking isn't always beautiful sunsets and sunrises. As you know, that most of the time it's a hood up, head down, relentless wet slog of a hike. So I'm looking forward to it now. The rain and weather itself brings a different challenge, but I always say kind of when the weather's in and the fog is there, it becomes a mind game because you're stuck in your own, you're stuck in the hood and you're stuck in your own head because there isn't a lot of views to keep looking at. So today is as much a mental challenge as it is a physical one. So yeah, looking forward to it. And yeah, starting off in Anglesborough, County Limerick, and we're getting a bus to the start point in Care, I think. About 31 kilometers, and I'll be throwing up details along the way. But anyway, this should be interesting. Okay, thanks for joining me in another, we'll call it a wet adventure today, and let's see what journey we can get up to. All right, we'll talk to you in a while. Good luck. There's a lot of wind and rain on the way for the afternoon, so I think a lot of people are going to be trying to hammer this hike as fast as they can in the morning, and me included. I don't mind the rain, like, but rain on a hike is fine, but rain for 8 hours on a hike is not fine. Yeah, but definitely the cloud has closed in over the Galtees, which is grand. I actually like hiking in fog. You feel like you're the only one on the mountain. But today there's going to be 200 people hiking with me, so anyway, we're nearly at Anglesborough now, and let's suit up and let's hit the trail. Hi, Pat.
Follow that car there, sir. Follow that car. That's going to do the Air Force One thing.
Great start. My water bottle leaked and soaked the back of my bag. So now I'm going to be wearing a wet bag. We're getting lucky at the start. Oh, we'll see. Just glad to start off dry. God, that was incredible. The weather, I've never ever in my life hiked in weather as bad as that. Never. On top of Galtymore, someone registered the wind at 110 kilometers an hour. It was just brilliant. The only way to say it. Yeah, it was pretty special now, to be honest. But yeah, well done today, Galtee Hiking Club. It was a brilliant event, well organised. So my hat goes off to them. Well done. Yeah, God, I'm spent now with the Tom Crean challenge last week, and then the Galtee crossing this week. And someone said to me, go on and do the Cumra crossing next week, which was 45k. I'm spent. I'm done. I enjoy the crossings and stuff. But I kind of want to get back wild camping and doing some wild camping videos. I haven't been in my tent in ages. And plus, I bought the Van Gogh Helium 1 incredible tent, and I actually haven't used it yet. So yeah, I'll get going with that. I'm looking forward to getting back into my tent and getting up onto the mountain. So hopefully sooner than later anyway. So we'll see how it goes. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna get a date together soon enough for anyone who's up for the wild camping night. It'd be brilliant to meet everyone. So what we might do is maybe set up camp and maybe get up for the dawn and do the dawn hike or something. I don't know. Look, we can play it by ear. It'd be just great to see a lot of people with different hiking gear and different camping gear, and just talk shop for a while. But anyway, I talked way too much. I'm gonna put on some music now, and I'm gonna just chill out, go home, shower, and relax, and have a nice pint of Guinness. That's what I'm gonna have. So anyway, look, thanks for joining me in another adventure, and yeah, this was a bit of a different one, but I wanted to show you what some of the crossings are like, and that was vicious, especially with the weather that we got as well. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I'll have some information up soon enough about the wild camping night, and yeah, I think it's perfect to say on a day like today is stay safe out there in the mountain, because wow, that was incredible today. Anyway, have a good one. We'll talk soon. Stay safe out in the mountain. Bye bye.